welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to harvest potato. Let's get started. This is my potato plant. Now I'm going to harvest this. Let's see how many potatoes are there inside. I'm going to harvest this plant for the first time. Let's see how many potatoes are there inside. First let's dig it. Let's pluck this plant outside. Let's check. Let's turn this pot. Let's check it out. What? There are so many roots. I'm very scared. There are many insects. I'm going to call my grandmother and she'll be helping me to harvest these potatoes. My grandmother is here, she is helping me. Let's check it out.
Where are the potatoes? No harvesting.
Potato level.
No potatoes.
No potatoes?
No potatoes.
Actually, I thought I can harvest potatoes and I expected more than 10 potatoes, and I'm very disappointed that one potato is also not there. Total harvest went wrong. Actually, the flavor of the potato also came. I searched many times. I checked it is a potato flavor, but no potatoes are there. I'm very disappointed.